Hello trombone players, welcome to the video that's going to show you how to assemble your instrument. Trombone is the instrument that I started on when I was in 5th grade, so I'm super excited to show you how this all works. First thing you're going to do, you've got your case, and it's going to be sitting on the floor like this. You want to make sure that the name brand is facing the ceiling, and that when you lift the latches, they come up. If it's the other way, you're going to dump your trombone onto the floor when you lift that lid, so make sure those latches come up. Undo all of them, and then take that lid and just carefully open it onto the other side. There are 3 pieces we're going to be putting together: the slide, the bell, and the mouthpiece. Okay? First thing that you're going to take out is that slide. So you want to make sure that this little piece called the slide lock is on. When it's on, the lock is there. If it's off, it's going to be over there. If that slide lock is off, when you take the slide out of the case, you're going to lose the slide. So make sure that part is on. I'm going to set this on a stand over here now so you can see every step. You're going to take out that slide first. You'll notice there's a longer end and a shorter end. You're going to make sure that longer end is facing you, and there's a rubber stopper on the bottom. You can just rest that on the floor. Okay? So that can be just like that. Take out the bell now and hold it right here. Left hand is on the slide. You're going to take the bell and put it on the taller end just like that. There's a little twisty part here. Go ahead and twist that to the right until it's nice and firm. And you want to have a right angle here between the slide and this brace on the bell. A nice right angle. Okay? Last piece you're going to take out is that mouthpiece. And that's going to go in. The shank is what we call that. It goes right in there. You don't need to force it in. Just set it in there and make sure it's nice and firm. Once you've got those pieces together, your trombone is ready to play.